Hello friends, in today's video, we will discuss some important procedures for the Ixora plant at the beginning of the spring season. The Ixora plant, which is dormant during the winter, begins new growth as soon as spring arrives. As you can see, new growth has begun in this plant as well. When an Ixora plant is deficient in micronutrients, its leaves immediately show signs of nutrient deficiency. This micronutrient deficiency can lead to problems like red spot and yellowing of the leaves. We will discuss which fertilizers to use for Ixora plant to prevent this problem, ensure healthy growth and produce abundant buds. First, we need to remove some soil from the edges of the pot, making it easier to add manure and fertilizer. Next, we will add well-drained cow dung manure. The amount of cow dung manure can range from 200 to 250 grams. After this, add micronutrient powder. This will prevent nutritional deficiencies like yellowing and red spot on the leaves. After this, add magnesium sulfate. This addition will accelerate photosynthesis, resulting in dark green leaves and prevent yellowing. Then add a little alum at the end. We are adding alum to keep the soil acidic. All flower plants require acidic soil for proper growth and flowering. Using inorganic fertilizers lowers the soil acidity, so you can add things like alum or vinegar. Make sure to add this once every 3 months. This update is from a month ago. It's already producing numerous buds, and the new leaves that are emerging are also healthy. There is no sign of any nutritional deficiencies in the new leaves. To help buds bloom properly, we will add another fertilizer, which will help the buds open and develop properly, ensuring their proper size and shape. To ensure proper air circulation to the roots, keep digging the topsoil from time to time. This will lead to good and healthy growth of the roots. Here we are going to add red potash. Instead of this, you can also use NPK 0050. We have to use this at the time of bud formation, or when the plant has grown enough and buds are not forming. Then new buds start forming with its use. Buds start forming with just one use of this. You can repeat the use of this fertilizer after 20 to 22 days. Friends, you should only report Ixora if you have not done it in several years. It does not need to be reported every year. Its roots growth is much slower than that of plants like Mogra jasmine, so you can report it after a 1 year gap. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.